In this video, we're going to talk about some of the frequently asked questions. Thankfully, Action Enforcer Pro is pretty darn easy to use, and we have a full arsenal of advanced tutorials and a quick start tutorial to get you started. However, there are a few things that might lead to a few issues out there that aren't covered in the tutorials, and that's what we're going to be talking about here. First is some people on a very rare occasion might get this little error that comes up where when you type in a letter, it's going to appear twice. This is usually due to a strange conflict between Action Enforcer Pro and a program called ActiveWords. A workaround is to either disable ActiveWords when using Action Enforcer Pro or start Action Enforcer Pro first prior to starting ActiveWords. Next is, on a rare occasion, some people are saying that they can't see the entire interface, and they're asking what's wrong. This is usually due to your screen resolution settings. Action Enforcer Pro requires a minimum screen resolution of 1024 by 768. Check to make sure yours is set to at least this setting. If you don't know how to find this on your particular computer, simply go up and find what your either Mac or PC, what operating system you have, and then go out and do a Google search and type in how to change screen resolution setting for PC, Windows version, whatever it is, or Mac version, whatever it is. The next area that I've gotten a few questions on is that occasionally somebody will say they cleaned up files on their computer and then they notice that all their saved data has all of a sudden disappeared, and they're wanting to know how they can get it back. If you're using some Windows Cleaner utilities, these will actually remove the data file created and used by the software, and this data file is named actionmachine.sol. And they do this when they sweep your computer clean. To restore this file to its original location or to set your sweeper utility from removing it in the first place, you need to know its location on your computer, which is shown below, and you can also look at the location on page 38 of your user guide. Specifically, this data file is something CC Cleaner considers a flash cookie. I believe it has an option to prevent the deletion of these flash cookies in the cleanup process. If you set it to keep flash cookies, you shouldn't have this issue again. And lastly, I've had a few people ask how can they minimize the system resources used by Action Enforcer Pro. For best results, simply minimize Action Enforcer Pro to the system tray when you're not interacting or viewing it. So you would just go up here and click this little yellow minus sign or orange minus sign. That's it for the frequently asked questions. Again, I hope you start making use of Action Enforcer Pro. It is literally one of my favorite productivity tools. I use this all the time, and if you use it on a consistent basis, I'm confident you will fall in love with it too and realize how much more you can get done so that you can work less while getting more done so you have more free time. That's it, and I hope to see you soon. And if you need any more productivity tips, go to crashtheclock.com, and if you are looking to recreate your lifestyle and have more freedom, flexibility, and control than you ever thought possible, consider going to crashthecubicle.com and picking up my Crush the Cubicle starter kit. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.